Wow. So I have been earning free Wikicat all this while, and I never knew. Over a year ago, a friend of mine sent me PHT finished token, 1,889 finished token. Okay, and it was actually less than $10 then when he sent me the token. So I just left the token in my wallet. It was sitting docile. I never knew I've been earning Wikicat passively because of this finished token. That money was actually small. Like, I was like, I don't have anything to do with this $10. So I just left it there. But I forgot that crypto is crazy. No amount is too small. Okay, a $5, $10 investment in some crypto coins or meme coins or hot coins can actually turn to $100, $200, and this has actually happened with PHT. So now this 1,889 PHT, let's go to the screen now and check the current price. Okay, so I'm gonna paste, and as you can see, the current price is $107. Okay, so now this simply means that in a year, like, this meme coin has 10x. And actually, there was a time when I checked the wallet, it was up to $500 because the market cap of Phoenix got to about $1 million then. Okay, so it has dropped, and like, I'm surprised seeing that I'm actually earning Wikicat just by holding Phoenix token. And this Phoenix token, I've mentioned it on my WhatsApp group. Those who even bought it when I mentioned it this year, when the market cap was around $40, okay, $40,000, I mean to say, they are in profit right now. Okay, so now I want you guys to reason with me. Okay, now I want you guys to reason with me. If this free PHT that I got for free can earn me passive Wikicat, okay, and not just that, the price has increased since. Now imagine if I start buying this PHT using dollar cost averaging. Okay, so now this is actually going to give me a dual opportunity, and I want to carry you guys along. Okay, so we are doing this together. Okay, hence this is the reason for this challenge. All right, so, and another major reason why I just left this PHT here is because I've actually gotten some airdrop for free, like the Trust Wallet token airdrop. I got it for free and I sold it. After selling it, the price actually got to $2, and I sold it when it was around, let's say, 20 or 40 cents. Are you getting it? So now this PHT, actually, I told you it has been in my wallet for like a year, so I just decided to set 500 and see if maybe I can be able to sell or swap it. You understand? Because I was really amazed when I saw like about $500 when it was at the peak. So the price is down now, and I want us to start buying this using dollar cost averaging. Okay, so I'm going to do a video tutorial on how we are going to do it. Okay, how we can start buying it.